In today's episode, we are going to take a look at the Lenovo Yoga 730. We spent a week using it and tested it to make sure we can give you accurate information about it. To see its latest price, you can check out the links down in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The newest Lenovo Yoga 730 is a multi-purpose 2-in-1 laptop that combines a gorgeous design with high-end hardware components that will elevate your multitasking capabilities to a whole, different level. From a design perspective, the Yoga 730 has a platinum gray 360-degree flip and fold construction that is accompanied by an HDMI port, a Thunderbolt port, a headphone and microphone combo jack, and a built-in fingerprint reader that is conveniently placed on the right part of the deck below the keyboard. For your information, the keyboard feels good on touch, and when we add the fact that it is backlit by default, it means that you can type accurately during the day and the night, while on the other hand, the touchpad is spacious, and has a smooth surface that will precisely register each swipe you make. Now, let's talk about the features. First of all, I'd like to inform you that you will have 4 modes of usage, so you can use it whether as an ordinary laptop, tent, tablet or stand, and thanks to its hinges the transition is butter smooth. Moving on, the specs of this laptop are quite good as well, starting from its i5-8250U processor, UHD graphics 620, the 8GB of RAM and the 256GB SSD, so as you can see, the Yoga 730 is suitable for professional and personal use. To be more precise, this model can handle casual internet use, and gaming, as well as basic photo and video editing without any problem, due to the fact that it has enough RAM and the presence of the SSD makes everything smooth. When it comes to the screen, the Yoga 730 houses a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen that outputs lifelike and consistent colors from wide viewing angles, regardless of the mode you intend to use. Last but not least, its 3-cell lithium-ion battery has an average life of 8 hours, but this may vary in practice, since everything depends on your usage. Overall, the Yoga 730 deserves your attention, because it looks wonderful and it is capable enough to accommodate the tastes of the most demanding customers on the market.
Thanks for watching this video, I hope you liked it. If you want to find the price and more information about this product, you can check out the link down in the description and the comment section below. If you have any questions related to it, please do not hesitate to write a comment and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.